Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable and how to set up the personal hotspot in this device. Okay. So before for this, go to settings. So before enable the personal hotspot, if you want to access the personal hotspot, we need to enable the mobile data in this device. Simply go to settings. So here you can see the option cellular. Tap on this one. Now we need to enable this one, cellular data. Okay, now go back to settings, tap on personal hotspot. So here we can see the option allow others to join. This means to enable the personal hotspot. Turn on this option. Now here you can see one more option, Wi-Fi password. So simply here you can edit the password here. Okay, so if now the personal hotspot is enabled, so in case if you want to change the name of the personal hotspot, now go back to settings, tap on general, tap on about. So here you can see the name. You can easily change the name here. Okay, now go back to settings. So now the personal hotspot is enabled. Now I am going to connect the personal hotspot to this device. So let me show you. So in this device you can see I already connected to one Wi-Fi. So go to settings. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Already connected one Wi-Fi. Now this is searching for new Wi-Fi. You can see the name here, iPhone. Tap on this one. Now here we need to enter the password. Tap on connect. Yeah, you can see it is connected. So simply in this way you can set up and enable the personal hotspot in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.